Today I am making roasted tomato soup. And here I have a variety of tomatoes. I actually like to add grape tomatoes, and I have 3 Roma tomatoes. In all, it's around 2 pounds of fresh tomatoes. Here I have 1 shallot. You could also use a piece of yellow onion, 3 cloves of garlic. I will be using some grapeseed oil and salt. Today I'm going to be roasting these tomatoes, so I've already quartered my Roma tomatoes. I removed my grape tomatoes from the vine. I have cleaned and halved the shallot, so now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I'm going to add a hefty pinch of salt, give it a mix, and coat all of the tomatoes and add it to a baking sheet. I'm going to spread out all of my tomatoes in a single layer, and I'm also going to be adding my 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm leaving the skin on the garlic. That will prevent it from burning, and then I'll just peel it later before I puree everything. In a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to be roasting these for about 20 to 25 minutes. My roasted tomatoes are done, so I am going to peel the skin off of the garlic and add everything on this baking sheet into my blender cup. So to season my tomato soup, I'm adding a pinch of dried basil, maybe 1/8 teaspoon. I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, pepper to taste. I will also be adding 1/8 teaspoon to 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. Really, the ratios are up to you. Here I'm adding a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. I'll probably add another pinch of salt and puree well. Once your tomato soup is pureed, you can actually eat it. It should still be warm enough, but I'm going to just let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes while I make grilled cheese sandwiches to go with this. And I am using the rest of that chicken broth, so in all, like I stated earlier, I'm adding 1 cup of broth to this entire recipe. Just give it a mix, and at this point you'll want to taste it. If you find that the tomatoes are too acidic, add a pinch of sugar, but the grape tomatoes have natural sweetness, so it's perfect for the soup. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.